Hi everybody, so I just thought with all this downtime I'm going to show you some beauty stuff. So one thing I like to do, as you can see, I am a blonde. This is my natural color growing in, so it's fairly dark blonde. I like to do my eyebrows. So they're pretty blonde, so are my eyelashes, but for right now I'm just going to show you what a brow tint is. And it's a great little service that you can do every 2 to 3 weeks and, you know, give that look of a nice fresh darkened brow. Takes away a lot of work when you have to fill them in and shape them if you're just looking to kind of go. You can get it to where, like I do, it stains the skin just a little bit and it kind of gives it a little filled in look, which I need. I just freshly waxed them probably a couple hours ago. So if you notice my face is a little red, it is. Well, that's because I'm fair skinned and I do have sensitive skin, but it'll be fine. So I'm going to walk you through the process when I start it, and I'll let you know the brand I use so you can see. And then you get the coordinating developer that goes with it. I got a little dish, a little mascara wand so that you can brush it onto the hairs. But I also like to take it a little step further. I either use a micro swab or I use a specialized Q-tip. It looks like one of the little lip brushes. It's one of those disposable lip gloss brushes, and I'll show it to you in just a second. Okay, so I forgot to tell you, the color I use is natural brown. I like mine a lot darker because color fades fast, and the natural taupe one is just a little too light for me. So, and that may not be your preference. Maybe you want them to look a lot lighter, very subtle. I like a very strong brow, so I like mine to be darker. So we're going to go ahead and start with that. I used about, as you can see, a little pea-sized amount. And I mix the so I put about 10 drops or so with it. And I am going to use this little makeup brush that I actually use to mix it. Some people just use a little stick, like a waxing stick, or I'm going to use this to mix it, as you can see. And then I'm going to let it. Okay, so we're going to start applying. Don't mind me as I'm looking in the mirror to get a better direction and still let you guys see. And I'm just like gently painting it across the hairs as I have. So, as you can see, then I'm going to use my little brush to make sure we're brushing it through those hairs. I'm not mashing it down because obviously I don't want to like spread color where I don't want color. So for me, I like to use the dye to draw it in like as if I'm doing my eyebrows so that I stain the skin a little bit, but that's just me. And this stuff I'm using is a specialized tint for eyelashes and eyebrows. Please do not use your hair dye. Okay, so I left it on a really long time because I like them dark, like I said. If you don't like them dark, I think it's about like 8 to 10 minutes, depending. I left mine on for 15, but I'm using water soaked in my little cotton pads, and I'm going to remove it. I actually love the way it looks. So much nicer. Alright. I am happy with them. This is probably my favorite color. Like I said, I like mine darker. So I'm going to give you a heads up. As you can see, it kind of tinted a little bit of the skin, nothing crazy, but gives me the look like I already filled them in. And for me, I can go about the rest of my day. I don't have any makeup on. I'm not trying to give you false hope what it looks like. And that's just because I'm doing all these beauty regimens in this time that we're down. And I want to let my skin breathe. And just thought I'd show you a quick tutorial on eyebrows. And I'm going to post what the video topic is in the beginning. And I'm also going to show you before and after so you can like really see how light my eyebrows really were. And the next video will be a eyelash tint. So if you could do me a favor and like, subscribe below, and follow my channel for all of your beauty needs. And if you have any comments, put it in the link below and let me know some videos that you want to see. If you have any questions about eyebrow tinting, I'd be happy to answer them.